Can you apply paint and primer paint products on fresh drywall? That's a good question. A lot of people ask me that. I'm Paul from Trusted House Painter. The answer is yes, you can, absolutely. Normal paint, you do not want to apply onto fresh drywall because it doesn't always stick the way you want it to stick to the wall. So what most professional painters do is we use a primer sealer primer paint. It's not a paint, it's a primer, but it's a primer sealer, that's what it's called. And they usually apply that directly onto fresh drywall prior to painting. And the reason why they do that, especially in big surfaces like this renovation here, is because A, it's a lot cheaper than using paint and primer in one on the fresh coat. And it acts as a really good adhesive material that acts as a barrier between the fresh drywall that you see behind me and the paint that you apply. So if you've got big areas like this, a big hallway or a whole house, you'll definitely want to use a primer sealer and not the paint and primer in one. And the main reason is because it's going to cost you a lot more money. So go ahead, get a good primer sealer like Sherwin-Williams 200, prime the drywall, and then you can apply your paint.